Hey guys, it's Sam for Digital Meat, and this is a little bit of a catch-up this video. I just wanted to make you aware of a few things. So on my website here, digitalmeat.uk, if we go to the tutorials page, you can see that I've added the latest NAB talks from this year. So we've got 3 batches here from 2017. If you don't know what NAB is, it's the National Association of Broadcasters, and obviously that involved with that will be motion graphics and stuff like that. So if we have a look at batch 1, you can see that some talks were given here for videos concerning cinema 4D and motion graphics. There's some great content in here, and some really good advice from motion graphic artists. So I've added those. They're the latest one, and I've actually made a new category as well for them, so you can filter by these talks. So you'll notice at the top now we've got a section for NAB, and if we go there, there's all the NAB talks that are up on my site. And we've also got another filter for SIGGRAPH. This is another type of talk that occurs here we go. We've got last year's talks here, so if you have a look at this, we've got a load of talks by other people. There you go. So I just wanted to make you aware that you can filter by these talks now, because the tutorial page is getting quite busy. You know, over the last few years, I've added quite a lot to it. So it just makes it easier to find things specifically that you're looking for. So we've got NAB and SIGGRAPH now, and obviously as always the rest are the same. If you just want the quick tips, you can go here and you can find all the quick tips. Something else to note as well, if we go to NAB, you'll see that, you know, we've got the talks that are up on my site. I'm well aware that there were NAB talks before these years, and I think the same with SIGGRAPH as well, obviously. Yeah, this has been running before the ones that I've got up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some digging and see if I can retrospectively add these to these filters as well, so you can find all of them there. So yeah, I just wanted to make you aware of that, guys. As always, check out the website digitalmeat.uk. You can follow me on social media. There's a Patreon page, $1 a month, you get some extra content. And yeah, okay, cheers for listening, guys. Bye.